Every peanut's journey begins quietly beneath the soil. Harvest starts with precision digging, timed to the day. Sun and air prepare the crop for safe transport. Moisture levels drop naturally in open fields. Machines gather what the soil has grown. Harvested peanuts move straight into the supply chain. From farms, they travel toward large-scale processing.
This is where agriculture meets industry.
Every load is measured before entry. The factory process begins the moment they drop. Inside the facility, control replaces chance. The first step removes what doesn't belong.
Air separation refines the raw harvest.
Hidden hazards are stopped before processing begins. Washing restores the peanuts to a clean state. Moisture is reduced before inspection. Technology ensures only the best move on.
Human judgment adds a final safeguard.
Now uniform, the peanuts await transformation.
Preparation complete. Processing begins next.
Flow control ensures consistent roasting ahead. Heat transforms raw harvest into flavor. Controlled motion guarantees uniform roasting.
Every degree matters in the roast.
Perfectly roasted, they move without pause.
Cooling locks in texture and taste.
Heat gives way to stability.
Next, the skins are removed. Blanching reveals the finished kernel. Only pure peanuts proceed.
Now, flavor is engineered with precision.
Seasoning begins in controlled rotation.
Even motion ensures even taste.
Automation keeps flavor consistent.
Only what sticks is kept.
A final coating seals the finish. Time allows flavor to stabilize. Data-driven checks refine the batch. Vertical movement keeps lines efficient. The product nears completion.
Uniformity defines the final product.
Only exact specifications pass.
Quality is confirmed one last time.
Safety remains non-negotiable. Presentation matters as much as taste.
Stability ensures shelf life.
Samples validate the process. Production never stops. The line pauses only to balance flow.
Final approval lies ahead.
Before packaging, proof replaces assumption.
Random sampling protects consistency. Moisture defines crunch.
Flavor is measured, not guessed.
Safety testing happens beyond the eye.
Human vision confirms machine accuracy.
Crunch is engineered and verified.
Only approved batches proceed.
The product earns its final form. Now, distribution begins. Precision defines every package. Freshness is locked in place.
Every unit carries its history.
Nothing leaves unchecked. Efficiency scales up for distribution.
Thousands become one shipment.
Storage bridges production and demand.
The supply chain takes over.
And this is how modern factories produce roasted peanuts from start to finish.